You've just come back from Starbucks after having a wonderful matcha concoction and maybe some strawberry matcha bread and are wondering if there are any other matcha sweet treats you can have. Well, look no further. How about we step into the kitchen and make ourselves some Matcha Brown Butter Brownies? This is a simple recipe that really highlights the earthy taste of the matcha. I enjoyed making this recipe, but I had a huge surprise when I finished baking. More about that later. Let's get started baking. We'll start by browning the butter. Over medium heat, cook 1 cup of unsalted butter until the butter turns a warm amber color and the milk solids are a dark golden brown. Turn off the heat and let the butter cool for about 3 minutes. In a bowl, sift 1 2/3 cups of powdered sugar and half a cup of light brown sugar together. In a large, heat-proof mixing bowl, add 8 ounces of white chocolate. Pour your warm brown butter over the white chocolate. Before adding my white chocolate, I put some warm water in the glass bowl and let it sit for a minute before dumping it out. After drying the bowl, I added my white chocolate because in theory, this would help make the white chocolate melt faster. The white chocolate did melt faster, but because I used warm water and not hot water, it still took a while. Mix gently with a spatula until it is melted and smooth. If your white chocolate is still not melting, pop it into the microwave for 15 to 30 seconds, then stir until the chocolate is all melted. Add 7 tablespoons of matcha to your chocolate. Whisk until evenly blended and smooth. Add your sifted sugars and stir thoroughly until they are fully dissolved and the mixture looks glossy and smooth. Add 4 large eggs to the batter. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix gently until smooth. Finally, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Gently mix it until it is just combined. It's really important that you don't overmix your batter. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and line an 8-inch square cake pan with parchment paper. Cutting the paper like this will make it easier for us to lift out the brownies. Spray the corners with cooking spray. Pour your batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top. Shake and tap the pan onto the countertop to remove any big air pockets. Bake in your oven for 60 to 75 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out with moist crumbs. If you are like me and enjoy underbaked brownies, start checking your brownies around the 55-minute mark. Make sure your toothpick comes out clean when you test it before removing the pan. Your brownies will continue to cook after removing them from the oven, so be careful you don't cook them too much. Remove the brownies from the oven and let them cool in the pan for at least 1 hour. You can always refrigerate or freeze your brownies to help them firm up before you start cutting. Once the brownies are cool, use a sharp knife to cut the brownies into squares. If you want cleaner cuts, you can wipe the blade between each slice and even rinse the blade in warm water before cutting again. Your brownies will keep in the fridge for about 5 days. I really enjoy the earthy tones from the matcha, and if that is something you like too, you should try this recipe out. Next time I make matcha brownies, I might try to have a matcha swirl in a chocolate brownie batter. That way, it gives off a two-tone appearance. I could even try a cheesecake matcha swirl version. The variations are endless. You could even use your matcha brownies as a base for an ice cream sundae. Whatever you decide to make, I know it will be delicious. I hope you enjoy making and eating this recipe. But before I go, I should talk about my huge surprise. I was taking down lighting equipment and was about to place it in its bag when 2 eyes popped out at me. I nearly had a heart attack. Black cats are just silly. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. For news about upcoming recipes, follow me on Twitter. Let me know if you have a recipe for me to make. Thanks for watching. See you next time.